Hi everyone, my name is Mateen Ahmed and I hope you are fine and doing good. Today we're going to learn how to convert a line into three different forms of mathematical equations. We're going to learn what is slope-intercept form, what is point-slope form, and what is standard forms of linear equations. Let's start the video. As you can see there, we have a line and we want to convert this line into slope-intercept form, point-slope form and standard form. First of all, we're going to write this equation into a slope-intercept form. In writing the equation into slope-intercept form, we need the slope and the intercept. And we know that the general form of a slope-intercept form is y equals to mx plus b. Okay, m is our slope and b is the intercept, that is known as the y-intercept. Y-intercept is a point where the graph crosses the y-axis. Okay, we'll see what is the y-intercept in our graph. First of all, we need to figure out the slope. We can figure out the slope using two methods. Either we can use the definition, that is rise over 1, or we can apply the formula. We're going to apply the formula, that is m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. It means for finding the slope from the line, we need 2 points on the line. We can choose any 2 points and try to choose exact coordinates, exact points. For example, I can easily see what is x and y value at this point. I'm going to choose this one as our first x and y value. Okay, here x value is 3 and y is 0. Okay, we have to choose one more point. I can easily see what is y and x at this point. And this will be our x2 and y2. You can take this point too. Okay, this is x2, y2. x2 is 0 and y2 is negative 2. I'm going to plug in these 2 points on this slope formula. y2 is minus 2, y1 is 0, divided by x2 is 0, minus x1 is 3. Just do some simplification. Minus 2 divided by minus 3, we can cancel out all the negative signs. We'll get 2 by 3 as the slope. We got the slope. Now we need the b value. Okay, and as I told you, b is the y-intercept. Y-intercept is the point where the curve, where the graph, where our line crosses our y-axis. It means this is the y-intercept point. And the y value is minus 2 here. That is our b value. It means b value is negative 2. Now we got the b value, we got the m value. We can easily write the answer in slope-intercept form. That is y equals to m. That is 2 by 3 x plus b is minus 2, we have to write minus 2. Okay, we got the answer in slope-intercept form. Now we'll try to convert this line into a point-slope form. We know that the general form of a point-slope form is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. It means we know we have to figure out the slope, that we have already done it. Slope was 2 by 3 and we need a point x1 and y1. We have so many points on this line, we can choose any point. I'm going to choose the first one, that is 3 and 0. X is 3 and y is 0. Now I'm going to plug in x1, y1 and the slope into a general form. Y minus y1, that is 0, equals to m 2 by 3 times x minus x1, that is 3. We can simplify. Y minus 0 is just y, equals to 2 by 3 and x minus 3. Okay, we got the answer in point slope form as well. Now we have to write this equation, we have to write this line into a standard form. Okay, we know that the standard form is ax plus by equals to c. Means your both x and y variable should be on one side of the equation and the number without any variable should be on the other side of the equation. Okay, we can write the standard form either by using the equation of slope-intercept form or by using the equation of point slope form. We just have to do some simplification. Okay, I will be taking slope-intercept form equation. We have already figured out the slope-intercept form, that is y equals to 2 by 3 x minus 2. Okay, we just need to do some simplification. What I'm going to do, on the right hand side I will be taking the common denominator. I have to multiply this one by 3 because the LCM is 3, and this one by 3 too. Okay, this will be 2x by 3 and minus 6 by 3. Okay, we can write y, once the denominators are same, we can add or subtract the numerator. I can write 2x minus 6 divided by 3. Alright, now we have to do some cross multiplication stuff. I will going to multiply this 3 with y. It will be 3y equals to 2x minus 6. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to shift 3y to the right hand side and minus 6 to the left hand side. Okay, this would give you, I can write it here, 6 equals to, we are shifting negative 6 to the other side, we have to change its sign. 2x, 2y is positive on the left hand side. After shifting, it would become minus 3y. Okay, now we can write 2x minus 3y equals to 6. Okay, you can see there we got the answer in standard form too. Alright then, today we have learned how to convert a line into 3 different forms of equations, that is slope-intercept form, point slope form and standard form. If you have any questions, you can write in the comment section, and if you want to see some more these type of videos, please like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.